Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find or to change your password. And basically make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And simply all we'll be needing to do is just to go to the settings, and from there we'll be able to access to the security part or the security section of the account. And to do so, we will be needing just to go to the settings, and we can find them from the profile picture. So basically, we'll be needing just to click on the profile picture, and from here we will find settings, and then you will be needing to go to security, uh, place or section. So it will be the access, and from here you will find password and authentication. So by clicking on password and authentication, we will be able to find the password, the passkey, and the two-factor authentication. So basically, the best thing to do is to use a passwordless sign-in, which would use some uh, other methods rather than your password, which is more secure or it's a better method. Or you can simply find your passwords here. And all you need to do is just to click on change password. And of course, in case you have forgotten your password, you will be needing just to click on I forgot my password. You will need just to verify or to use this captcha. And from here, you will need just to click on submit. And of course, it is verified. And then you can send a password reset email. Then at your mailbox, you will receive an email that, or you will receive a link to reset your password. And you click on the link and make sure it is GitHub. And after that, you will be able to reset your password. So it will be something similar to this. You will have your new password, you confirm your new password, and of course, those are some criteria to create your password, like it needs to be 15 characters, etc. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.